This is the rocket stove that I made out of a large steel coffee can. At the bottom of it, top, and the inside from the top. I'm going to use this out at the stealth campground, the back 40 campground. I'll leave it out there. No cost involved, just effort to build it. And it's no big deal if something weird happens to it, I'll just make another one. Anyway, probably going to lay 10 stakes or something across the top here. Maybe a clothes hanger, whatever, across the top, just to hold the pot. It's my first time at using a Dremel tool to this capacity. It's really ugly. That's okay. Also a learning experience for the Dremel tool and me, learning how to use it. Those bottom things are cut so that they kind of create a Ventura effect.